Hello and thanks for ending the week with us. I'm Bodie Brooks. Marvin and Andrea have the night off. We begin tonight with 2 cases of whooping cough just discovered in Lexington schools. The Lexington Fayette County Health Department confirmed 1 case each was reported at Bryan Station and Lexington Catholic High Schools. Whooping cough is a highly contagious respiratory illness with symptoms similar to a cold aside from a cough, which will begin to get worse after a week. It can affect people of any age but can be especially dangerous to young children and those with compromised immune systems. The health department recommends that anyone reporting symptoms stay home from school and see a doctor.